Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is apples, and we'll be making apple slices with creamy goat cheese and pecan dip, and fall McIntosh apple and goat cheese salad. Joining me in our Morris Black kitchen is Dr. Taverna-Miller and Chef Jonathan Cartwright. These recipes sound great, so let's get started.
So first off, we're going to dice up a little bit of shallot.
Okay.
And we're going to make a vinaigrette for the salad. And this can be prepared in advance. It can be something that can be kept in the refrigerator.
All right.
And we're going to sweat off the shallots in a little bit of olive oil. Take one of our apples, McIntosh apples. I'm going for the vinaigrette, going to peel it. But for the children, we're going to leave the skin on. My children like apple skin. They like the color as well. And if one of you would like to take the goat cheese from over there, we're going to mix in that mixing bowl that's in front of you.
Okay, and your dicing techniques, these are excellent.
Oh, thank you.
Looks
Get you in the operating room for surgery.
exactly.
I don't think you'd want me in there.
No, we got to put it back together when you're done.
We're going to use apple cider in the vinaigrette as well to give it nice flavor. For the dip, we're just going to make it a little bit smoother with a little bit of cream. You can use milk for this. We're just going to stir it together, yeah.
And I mean, this recipe calls for about 4 ingredients. So
Yeah.
again, any mom, any dad can do this. Quick and easy snack.
Very easy, all readily available in the store. And we're going to chop up some pecans and drop those into it as well.
This is a great alternative to yogurt.
Absolutely, and the ability to combine not just the apples, but healthy ingredients, nuts, cranberries, and the different nutrients that are in these items that help with their creating healthy children.
Going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar.
Okay.
And then a little bit of
Some
lemon
fresh
juice.
lemon.
We'll just let it boil up.
So when we slice these apples, we're going to keep the skin on.
Some people believe it's an old wives' tale that the healthiest part of the apple is in the skin, but that actually is true.
And it's also full of soluble fiber, so.
Fiber is a very important part of anybody's diet, not just children, but also for adults.
So now we're just going to blend up your
That's right.
vinaigrette.
So, normally I would just leave it to cool off a little bit, but be very careful always when blending.
Okay.
And then we're going to add some olive oil to that. In there. And then the salad, very, very simple. You can leave the nuts whole, or you can chop them like we did for the children.
Okay.
Got a little bit of cheese to sprinkle in there, and we can save some of these ingredients for the top.
And cooked apples are baby's first food, correct?
They are. There are, in terms of the first food, there are a lot of options, but in general it's a fruit because it's more pleasing to them in terms of flavor. But it could be either a fruit or a vegetable in small amounts, softened so that they're able to ingest it safely.
I can't wait to try that vinaigrette. Chef, these look really, really delicious.
Delicious. Good texture.
Okay, let's try the salad. I can't wait to try the vinaigrette. Really good. Delicious.